Protesters who gathered outside the courthouse in the Karen Reed murder case are not going to like this. The judge in the case just approved a buffer zone. This is to keep them at a distance when the trial starts. But as WBZ's Haefeli explains tonight, they won't be as far away as prosecutors wanted.
Karen Reed trial is one of Massachusetts' most high-profile cases, garnering overwhelming attention from groups crowding courthouse steps. But they may be asked to stay away after the prosecution requested a 500-foot buffer zone outside of the Norfolk Superior Courthouse in order to protect jurors.
We need in this case, obviously, as the court is well aware, a fair and impartial jury.
Massachusetts Superior Court Judge Beverly Cannoni heard the buffer zone motion Thursday morning.
An external buffer zone is appropriate, but my obligation is that I must reasonably accommodate the rights of all people to protest while ensuring that this case is decided fairly.
Judge Cannoni ruled late Thursday demonstrators must stay 200 feet away from the Superior Courthouse and parking lot and prohibits any kind of photographs, signage, or clothing related to the case. Law enforcement officers who are testifying or are members of the audience are prohibited from wearing their department-issued uniforms. Groups like the ACLU and protesters are arguing the ruling shouldn't exist at all, and it's impeding on the First Amendment.
She has every right to restrict that inside the courtroom.
Mark Randazza represents protesters who believe Reed is innocent in the murder of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe.
The judge doesn't have jurisdiction over the streets.
WBZ legal analyst Jennifer Roman explaining the judge likely does.
It's all part of the court's authority and discretion on how they administer fair justice. And certainly making sure we have a jury pool that's protected from harassment. It's well within their authority to do so.
Karen Reed's defense team did remain neutral, telling Judge Cannoni the decision is between the Commonwealth and the Constitution. In Dedham, Haefeli, WBZ News.